Shiftsmart is a gig work platform promising flexible shifts, quick pay, and easy access to part-time or temporary work. Users can browse available jobs, pick shifts that fit their schedule, and get paid faster than traditional gigs, often through same-week or instant payout options. The app is intuitive, and it offers a range of industries including retail, warehousing, and delivery. Many workers praise the platform for flexibility and on-demand work, making it ideal for students or those seeking supplemental income. However, there are potential drawbacks. Some users report low pay per shift, inconsistent availability, and occasional cancellations, which can disrupt income planning. Additionally, there's limited worker protection compared to formal employment, meaning no benefits or guaranteed hours. While ShiftSmart is legitimate and pays reliably, it may not be the best option for those looking for stable income or long-term employment. Overall, ShiftSmart is useful for short-term gigs and quick pay, but users should be aware of the limitations and plan accordingly.